Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I have two unboxings to film, so strap in. Okay. First, just really quickly, this is not an unboxing. It's not a review. It's just something I just got these yesterday. These are the Fenty Hair. Um, well, this is the jelly type, so this is the gel, and this is the Home Curl Styling Cream. I'm so excited to use these. I have not opened them at all. So those will be getting used very, very soon. Just FYI. Just look for that video. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm gonna do two unboxings, one for each video. You know, they have to have their own video. So first we're gonna do, since it's on top, the Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I just started getting this subscription. I think this is only my second box, maybe. So far I like it. I'm not gonna keep it going very long because I still have a ton of products. I'm not even gonna. Sorry, I do. I'm a product junkie. What can I say? But that's all about to. I'm gonna get control of that, little by little. Okay, so what's the theme this month? It looks like patriotism. Okay, I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Okay, cool. Okay, this informational. Oh, oh, thanks for being a member. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, something leaked, maybe? Oh, it's just stuck. Oh, yeah, something leaked. These are stuck together. Oh, man. The Tushy Clot Blur Primer. Did that break? Because the box was a little bit smashed. Oh, no, that's full. Yes. The Tushy Clot Blur Primer. It's got little flecks of gold in it. This is by YSL. Here's the box. It's stuck to the other box. This is the other box is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, which you know I love an eye balm, so because these dark circles won't uncircle themselves. Okay, let's take this out. And this is sealed too, so it wasn't either one of these two. So that's good. Something else leaked though. I don't know what it was. I still have 3 other products in here. I don't know. Maybe it's just the paint stuck. I don't know. Okay, I pulled out everything else. Okay. The Flannery Water Lily PHA Pore Refining Exfoliator. Ooh, a scrub. Me loves a good facial scrub. Yes. Okay. And also sealed for safety. Very good. This is a great travel size too. Put that to the side. This is Biro. Sure. Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. Oh, cute. Apply, generously on a clean face, neck, avoiding contact with eyes. Leave on overnight. Okay. Me's might try that tonight. Also still sealed. So I think maybe there's the gold leaf on the YSL box. And this is Malin and Getz Dark Rum. Oh, is this a perfume roll on? What? Okay. Now, I did have my dad work on my settings, so hopefully you can see everything as it should be. I didn't change anything, and I haven't filmed since he fixed it, so we shall see. I did test it, though, after he did it, and it looked fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a nice size. Let's test this. And nothing's leaked, so it's just the paint. Ooh. Ooh. Dark rum. Oh, me's likey. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yes. This. Wow. I'm not sure how you say it. Malin and Getz. Yeah. Cha, that smells good. Wow. Wow. Ooh, I'm wearing that tomorrow. I don't have any place to go tomorrow except work. It almost feels like a waste, you know? Okay, the very last thing in the box is this oh, cute. Better not younger. Lift me up hair thickener spray. I like their logo. If you can see it, the B with the crossed out Y. Better not younger. So, okay. We age well, beauty with age, you know, and all that. What is it called? Age before beauty, but we're aging gracefully. That's what it is. I'm tired. Okay, I hardly slept last night. Okay, hair thickening spray. So that probably goes at the roots. The roots, yep. Wet or damp hair, areas of thinning, comb through and let air dry or heat style as usual. Nothing leaked. This smells This smells so good. Like, wow. Okay. So that's my box. Yeah, I'm super excited about everything. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, Allure. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a few more boxes. Wow. The Tushy Class. Do you know how long I've wanted this? It's been out for years, by the way. It's YSL, so you know it's really pricey. Um, and really on there. Okay. It's really pricey, but it's so velvety. Oh, look at that. It's so velvety. And this is a good size sample. Like everything that they give you in the Allure box is not full size. And that's okay because these are really good size samples. Like these are not the who was it? Sephora size samples. These are not the little baby things. This, yeah. What? Okay. The eye balm is oh, how cute is that? I forgot I didn't open it. Oh, and you rub it on, and this keeps it sanitary. Oh, cute. And it twists up. Cute. Okay, oops. Unless you drop it on something, and then it's not sanitary. Which, of course, I just messed it up. Okay, well, let's put that back. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This has been super fun. I cannot wait to see what is in my Ipsy box. I was doing Ipsy every other month. I did change it to monthly so that I could get the icon box next month. And then we'll talk about the reveal that Ipsy did on their Instagram page later. So again, thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Love on somebody and treat others around you with kindness. Peace.